If you're looking to completely protect the front and second row of your 2009 to 14 F-150 from passengers and equipment, then you're going to want to check out Husky's WeatherBeater's Floor Liners. This kit will keep your truck's cab and floors looking showroom fresh underneath these rugged liners. And I'm going to be giving this install an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and it should take you no less than 15 minutes once you get these out of the box. We're going to start with our passenger side. Take your liner, move over to your truck, place your seat back as far as possible. And then we're going to place the liner into the footwell. It's measured to fit, so all you have to do is place it in, match it up, and then press down for a good tight seal. And then because it is measured for your footwell, it does cover up the sides as well as go up underneath, as well as on the driver's side, it goes underneath the pedals for those bigger spills. And as for the driver's side, it's going to be the same steps. You're going to push your seat back as far away as you can and place the liners in. But I did want to highlight one thing is Husky's Stay Put cleats. These spikes are what's going to dig into the carpet of your truck, and it's going to allow your liner not to move when you're stepping in or out of your truck. But again, with the seat placed back, you put the liner in, match up, and place down for a good tight fit. And then when it does come time to clean these, all you have to do is just lift up, lift out, spray with some soap and water, let dry, and place right back in. With our 2 front liners in, it's time for the rear liner. Our first step is going to be to push the seats out of the way up front, and then we're going to lift up on our rear seat for extra room. And then I'm going to make my way to the other side, open up our rear door. Same thing, push the seat far up and out of the way. Lift the rear seat out, lock it into place. And then we're going to grab our liner and place it in. Measured for an exact fit, just like the front. It will fit underneath the rear seat. It will go around the hump and under the seat. You want to press down for a good fit so that the Stay Put cleats have something to dig into. And then you just have to lower your rear seats. Put your front ones back to their proper position and make your way to the other side. Just south of $180 for this entire kit is definitely one of the more expensive options out there. But you're getting a no compromise front and rear floor liner that's going to protect the top, the bottom, the sides, as well as underneath the pedals for your entire truck. You could save some money if you wanted a universal floor mat, but those are usually a much smaller size and they're not measured to fit for your specific truck. That's going to wrap up my review and install of Husky's WeatherBeater front and second row floor liners in gray. You can check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.